Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using SPSS. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to calculate somers'd using SPSS and its interpretation. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, econometrics, statistics, mathematical economics, and economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's understand the idea of somers'd and its meaning. So somers'd is used to find the association or monotonic association between two ordinal variables, and we have clear cut bifurcation of dependent variable and independent variable. In Goodman and Kruskal's gamma, we do not have this bifurcation. But here in somers'd, we have the bifurcation of dependent variable and independent variable, and these two variables are ordinal. In that case, we use somers'd. Now you see this example. I have data on food quality and consumer satisfaction. So food quality is ordinal variable. We have three categories, 1, 2, and 3. 1 is below average, 2 is average, and 3 is above average. And then we have consumer satisfaction, in which again we have three categories, dissatisfied, neutral, and satisfied. So now these two are our ordinal variables, and we want to know whether these two are associated or not. But here we have the clear-cut bifurcation of dependent and independent variable. So here our dependent variable is consumer satisfaction. So whether consumer satisfaction depends on food quality. That is the idea. Now let's understand how to perform it. So to perform the somers'd, first you go to analyze. In analyze, we have the option of descriptive statistics. And in descriptive statistics, we have the option of cross-tabs. So now you move food quality to rows and consumer satisfaction to columns. So this will generate the cross-tab. Now go to statistics. In statistics, here we have the option of somers'd. In ordinal box, we have the option of somers'd. So select somers'd, click on continue, click OK. So now you have the output. So you have three tables. First, we have a case processing summary that shows the total number of cases. Then we have consumer satisfaction and food quality cross-tab here. And then we have directional measures. This is our output, or we need to interpret this output. So see, here you have two options: food quality dependent, consumer satisfaction dependent. So now consumer satisfaction depends on food quality, that we want to check. So consumer satisfaction is our dependent variable. The somers'd is 0.696 and associated p-value is less than 0.05. And therefore we are going to reject the H0. So what is our conclusion? We can conclude that we have strong positive correlation between consumer satisfaction and food quality because the value is 0.696. So this is the idea of somers'd. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.